Okay, so the video is going to show you how to use the SnagIt tool in case you're using Word or PowerPoint for your instruction set. I have a mock-up of the instruction set that I'm going to talk about. It's how to make a packet for my class. And basically what I've done is I've gone through all the areas where I need to have a picture and the picture that I want to be shown. So you'll see for my purpose, I want to show that I have a completed packet to give the user an idea of what the final document is going to end up looking like. So, say I had a substitute teacher for my class. I want them to see that it's going to look kind of like this. And what I can do is go over to my start menu, and there's a little snipping tool, and just drag this over it so it takes a picture of the image, and then I save it in the right folder. And providing a picture of this front is going to help the reader meet expectations and know what it's supposed to look like at the end. So I can just delete this, and I'll have text explaining it. But then I'll just insert this picture. Just like so. And it doesn't have to be giant. I mean, you can get an idea of what it's going to look like, kind of small. The next thing I have is to create an abstract. So that's my next picture that I need to take. So I'm just going to go to the abstract I've already made for this and take another screenshot of it. I don't know why this keeps popping up. And then this is going to be my example abstract. So I'll just save this like this. So if you're doing like how to write a press release or something like that for students in your class, that's a good way to show them what it should look like. That way you're not just saying write an introduction and then have no idea what typically goes into an introduction of a press release. So I'm going to have text here that talks about what an abstract should have, and then list it out, but then they'll have a visual example below. So that's kind of nice, especially if you have a really perfect example that you want to show them to get them a good idea of what it looks like. And I did the same thing for using style sheets in Word, so the headings gives them an example of what it should look like up here, heading 1, heading 2, and that way it matches down here. So just think of little things like this for your instruction set, because that'll make it a lot better and help your reader. The other thing I think that's good is if you use the same picture that you use at the beginning, to put that at the very end of your instruction set to let them know like that they've reached the end, that they've got closure. So I'd probably just copy and paste this picture for after my step 10 saying, okay, now it's complete. Now that you've updated your table of contents, so on, you know what this should be looking like. And if it doesn't look this, go back to whatever step where it got stuck. So, but that's how to use a SnagIt tool, and it should be free on your computer. So, but that's where to find it and how to take pictures of different things.